Welcome back. High Court has directed the state government to either register FIR in foreign funding matter or file a writ petition before High Court challenging JMFC court's order. High Court has passed similar order on dual citizenship matter against politicians and bureaucrats. The High Court has given time to the state government till 9th September and has fixed hearing for 10th September.
High Court on Tuesday has shown its resentment against state government for not registering FIR in foreign funding matter against Congress and BJP and in dual citizenship matter against politicians and bureaucrats as directed by the Panji JMFC court. During the hearing, Government Council contended that they have challenged order of the JMFC court in this regard before Sessions Court. Petitioner Kashinath Shetty contended that Sessions Court has not granted any stay. Petitioner also contended that government is ignoring JMFC court's order. After hearing both the parties, High Court has given time to the state government till 9th September to file the said petition and has fixed hearing on 10th September.
Foreign citizenship and foreign four matters were there. There is no stay and FIR should have been lodged, but they have not lodged an FIR. So they were given a last opportunity to file a writ petition on them and take a stay or register an FIR. The matter is kept on 10th September.
Meanwhile, petitioner Kashinath Shetty wants to challenge amendment in the section 156 of CRPF proposed by the Parrikar government once it is notified.
We are studying the thing, and once it is notification, it is passed by the governor, we will challenge that law because it is unconstitutional.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Government on Tuesday moved bill to amend the Goa School Education Act reflecting new MOI policy. Amendment permits government grants to schools whose medium of instruction is Konkani Marathi or any other language specified in 8th schedule of the Constitution. Amendment also permits grants to English medium schools who are recognized as minority schools. The important provision in the Act gives power to the government to take over management of school or appoint administrator if person or management of that school is involved in criminal activity.
Finally, government introduced the Goa School Education Bill for amendment on Tuesday. Government has introduced new MOI policy through this amendment. Amendments are as follows. Amendment permits government grants to school whose medium of instruction is Konkani Marathi or any other language specified in 8th schedule of the Constitution. The school shall be required to teach English as one of the subject. All schools shall have English as a compulsory subject from 1st to 10th standard. Amendment permits grants to English medium school who are recognized as minority schools. All schools other than Konkani Marathi as MOI shall be required to teach Konkani Marathi as one of the subject from 1st to 10th standard. All schools with English as MOI should provide bilingual textbooks in Konkani Marathi. Further, government has also proposed amendment that directors shall not permit opening of any new primary school until mapping of school is carried out and need for such additional school is categorically identified. Government has also proposed one major amendment in which any school management or member of the managing committee is involved or charge-sheeted in criminal activity or charged for misappropriation of funds. Government will be given following powers. Government can appoint officer for drawing and dispersing salary grants bypassing management. Government shall also have powers to take over the management and appoint administrator or body of committee of administrator to run the said school. Government can run the school until such time the government is of the opinion that school may be handed over back to the management. This Goa School Education Bill amendment is expected to be passed on 21st of August. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Food and Drugs Administration officials raided 4 edible manufacturing units in Ponda on Tuesday. Goods worth almost 2 lakhs were seized and destroyed. FDA inspectors said the units were functioning without licenses and there were no labels on the edibles. FDA Inspector Rajiv Khorde said a person involved in illegal business of edibles can be fined up to 5 lakh rupees and imprisonment of 6 years.
विदाउट लायसन्स करतालो तेजो माल थंय आमी जप्त केला आनी ती प्रिमायसीस बी बंद केला तेजो माल एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 34,000 आमी धरला नेक्स्ट प्रिमायसीस आमी धरली ती सुनील पाटील म्हणून संतोषी स्वीट मार्ट वयल्या बाजारांत पोंडा तेजे कडेन विदाउट लेबल आनी इम्प्रॉपर लेबल डिक्लेरेशन आसलेलो फरसान आनी स्वीट ते जप्त केला त्याचं व्हॅल्यू जवळ 40,200 रुपया आसा. मागीर आमी जोगराज राठोड हेजी प्रिमायसीस कवणे फोंडा हांगा चॅक केली. थंय तो विदावट लायसन्स मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग करतालो. आनी आतां आमी हांगा आतां पुरुषोत्तम वैष्णव हांगा JC नगर फोंडा होय आमकां विदावट लायसन्स मॅन्युफॅक्चर करतना मेळ्ळा. हांचे कडेन जवळ जवळ आमी वर्सान 1 लाखाचे वर्सान आमी जप्त केला. आनी थोडे मावा जो हेका यूज करता पेड्यांक बी तोय बी तेजे कडेन आमी जप्त केला. कित्याक तेका डेट ऑफ मॅन्युफॅक्चरींगूच ना आनी तो तेणी विदावट बिलूय हाडला. ताणें अजून पर्यंत आमचे कडेन बील प्रोड्यूस केलें ना. हेजे कडेन माल हांवें सीज केला आनी हो सगळो माल सीज करून आमी डिस्ट्रॉय करता.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.